Excuse me?
Roll your window down so the tint
Sir,
meter can go on your tint meter.
listen, I'm fully
All the
capable
windows.
of
Put 'em in
no,
half
sir,
windows,
sir,
sir.
sir.
Down, sir.
See, there you go. That's good enough. That's
Insurance
legal.
registration,
That's
please.
legal. See? Yes. When I sue the state, you're not going to break my windows, officer. I'm perfectly safe. Yes, I'm recording this. You want to break my windows? I gave him my license and registrations. Sir.
Lower the window or you're going to be arrested.
For what?
I'm done.
You're done? Thank you. Pop it. Pop it.
Oh my God.
It doesn't matter. Pop one.
Okay.
Either come out. Hey.
Today's video is the perfect example of the saying, when police don't have a reason, they'll make one up. Everything started with a man simply driving to, yes, you heard that right, court, on time. But instead of writing a basic traffic ticket, a whole group of officers decided to turn it into a full-blown power trip performance, demanding the window be lowered beyond reason, measuring the tint 3 different times, and threatening to smash his window like they were dealing with a high-risk fugitive. And as you'll see, it becomes painfully clear who's actually losing control here. Before we dive into how they tried to force a compliant driver into becoming a so-called non-compliant suspect, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this incredibly professional interaction.
Your name, please?
Roll the window down, sir.
I'm going to get you my ID. I'm going to court, sir.
You're about ready to go to jail. Roll the window down.
Going to jail for what?
Sir, driver's license, roll the window down.
I'm going to give you my driver's license, but can I have your name? He's trying to unlock my door.
Unlock
Listen,
the car.
you see how he's trying to unlock my car?
Unlock the car, sir.
I'm going to give you my driver's license.
My commands.
I'm going to give you my driver's license.
Roll the window down.
I'm going to give you my...
You must comply
the
with.
window is down to my safest.
You're
2
more,
inches.
You are more
this is
worried
more than
about
2
this
inches.
phone than what I'm being commanded to do.
Don't worry about it. I'm going to give you my license,
Find
sir.
it now, sir.
This man trying to lock me up for no reason, and this is for my lawyer, just in case. He's asking me for my license. I'm giving him my license. I have done nothing wrong. I was pulled over. I'm giving him my license. As you can see, this is my license. It's valid. I'm going to court.
Registration, insurance card.
I'm going to court, so he's going to make me late for court. Man trying to tell me to roll the window down more than what already is. This is legal. I feel unsafe. I'm not finna play with these police. Right now I'm looking for the registration.
Roll the window down, sir. I can put the tint meter on your window, please.
Excuse me?
Roll your window down so the tint meter can go on your tint meter.
Listen, I'm fully capable of Sir.
Down, sir.
See, there you go. That's good enough. That's legal. That's legal. See? Yes, I'm good.
Registration, insurance card. I'm not going to ask you again.
I'm looking for the registration as we speak.
Roll the other windows down.
No, sir. No, sir. Please, 2 inches is good enough. That's perfectly legal.
Sir,
I'm in my right.
I'm
Listen,
asking you to roll
that's
your window
perfectly
down.
legal. Watch me. I'm not stupid. I ain't slow.
Are you non-compliant, sir?
And this is still being recorded as we speak.
Are you non-compliant, sir?
No, sir, I am compliant. My name is Shello Cadet. I live on 3412 Sally Chucko Tommy Way. I am going to court, so you're making me late for court.
Windows coming out because he's non-compliant.
He's about to bust my windows? Non-compliant. Officer, I am compliant, officer. Do not break my windows. Do not break my windows, officer. Do not break my windows. Officer, I am being compliant. Do not break my windows. Please do not shatter my windows. I am being compliant.
I'm asking you to
no,
roll the
I'm
window
just
down, and
this
you're
is
not
for
compliant.
recording
What's gonna happen is
purposes.
that I'm going to eject you from the car.
This is for recording
and
purposes.
You're going to go to jail for refusing to obey a lawful command for a peace officer.
Okay.
It's pretty simple.
When I sue the state, you're not going to break my windows, officer. I'm perfectly safe. Yes, I'm recording this. You want to break my windows. I gave him my license and registrations. I'm on my way to court. I got to go to work, and you want to break my windows. I'm suing the county. I promise you. You gonna make me late for work and court. If it's a traffic violation, write my ticket and let me go about my business. But it's not a traffic violation. Hey, listen, I'm on my way to court. Send me your captain, please. The man talking about breaking my windows. Hey, listen, the man talking about breaking my windows. I need a captain, please. A lieutenant, somebody who's in charge. He's not gonna break my window. I'm on my way to court. My window 15%, which is legal. And if it isn't, just write me my ticket so I can go to court. I ain't finna play with y'all. My license good. My registration's good. I'm just black. Look at him. He trying to break my window. Look at him. Alright. If that window get broken, I'm suing the county. I'm suing the city. There's no drugs, no guns in this car. If it's a traffic violation, write me my ticket, please. If it's a traffic violation, write me my ticket. There's no guns, no drugs in this car. So I'm suing this county and city. Nope. I'm suing the county and city. Y'all not finna get me like no dummy. In the name of God, let these devils go. Here it is. This is the title. Application. Look how deep there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go to court. I'm gonna tell the judge I got pulled over by your wolves today. They came and tried to eat me. Look at this one, leave it, cause you don't want to be part of this. Yeah, officer driving 369. You don't want to be part of this, huh? Oh, getting out of that pothole. Yeah. Y'all gonna be in for it. Please. In the name of Jesus. Y'all gonna be in for it. Y'all gonna be in for it. I gave my name, my address, my date of birth, September 14, 1992. This the captain? Excuse me?
You have your documents?
I'm still looking for it, sir.
You still are?
Okay, yeah, keep going. Be right back. My license good. Yeah, that's what you thought it was bad, huh? That's what I see on you. What I see? Hey, Mr. What I see? Keep them. Mas je me comprends. Don't worry about it. Give me a black officer who can relate or talk to me. A captain, give me somebody. God damn, dog. What the heck? You ain't finna get me today. You wake up on the wrong side of the bed, you wanna take it out on me? That's not the captain, is it? That's just somebody else. They having a field day today. I do not consent to search. None of that. They try to have me here forever. Then y'all gonna make sure that they try to get me for a warrant because y'all made me miss court. I'm not finna miss court. If I miss court, y'all not finna take me to jail for pulling me over. Y'all made me miss court.
You understand me?
All right, Lieutenant, yes, there you go. I need somebody.
Here's what I need you to do.
I'm looking for the registration as we speak.
I need you to roll your window down so we can put the tent meter on there.
He did. It was 15. He did.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna measure the tent.
He just did. That's what I'm telling you, officer. It's recorded. So whenever we go to court, we can review the video and you will see where he put the thing there and he tried to push it down with his hand.
It has
Okay.
to go down on
Well,
the
listen.
window.
I let him do it. It was 15. So there's no reason for you to tell me you got to do it again. I understand you, Lieutenant. You the person I need to talk to. The guy.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. You see? I'm not stupid. I ain't slow. There's nothing in this car. Y'all can glove up. I ain't worried about it. I'm supposed to be on my way to work. Y'all not finna run me crazy. This is not the reason why I pay taxes. Not for y'all to surround me like wolves.
We're
Sir,
gonna measure the tint on the other window.
on the other window, which one?
This one right here.
The back window.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna lower that just about 2 inches
You're gonna lower
and a
that,
half.
but we can measure the
Listen,
tint.
I'm gonna talk to you like you're gonna talk to me as civilians, okay? You have the power. I'm gonna give that to you over your dogs. Please, I'm gonna let it down about 2 inches so you can stick it in, and then you measure it how you supposed to, okay? I pay taxes. Look, I'm dirty. I'm going to court. Exactly. So I don't want y'all to.
Window, please.
All right, thank you. I will lower the window.
Sergeant Nieves. Lower it more.
I will. I'm waiting for the tent meter to come. I don't want.
We can put the tent meter
Listen.
on there.
Measure it, please.
Drop the window.
Man, it's on a recorder, man. This is how you want to play it. Okay? So be an officer and
Thank you. No, that's right. Just crush that.
I'm not gonna crush it. Look, I'm not gonna crush it.
Damage my meter.
I'm not gonna crush it.
That's 2%. Roll the other one.
2%. They're all the same thing. 2%? I know exactly what the window is. Turn it around so I can see it, so I can put it on recorder when you measure it. But I don't got time for this. Put it in there, please.
What am I doing?
Put it in there, please.
Hey,
Sir.
lower the window or you're gonna be arrested.
For what?
I'm done.
You're done? Thank you. Pop it. Pop it.
Oh my God.
It doesn't matter. Pop one. 'Cause he's
Okay.
coming out. Either come out. Hey. Either coming out, sir.
Sir,
or we're
I'm
popping
just
the window and taking
recording.
you out.
I'm bracing for this. I'm recording.
Give me.
Oh my God. They done broke my window, man. Well.
And that's the end of this unbelievable encounter. A simple drive to court turned into a full showcase of ego, intimidation, and officers doing everything except their actual job. What we just watched isn't about safety, it isn't about law, and it definitely isn't about professionalism. It's a reminder of how quickly a routine interaction can explode when power is abused and accountability is nowhere to be found. If there's one thing this video proves, it's that recording your interactions isn't optional, it's necessary, because without that camera rolling, they would have written an entirely different story, and we all know it. Let me know what you think. Were these officers enforcing the law, or just enforcing their pride? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to see more breakdowns of encounters like this, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.